Alright, so, we're playing some Counter-Strike. Because we're just cool like that. And, this is the adventures of a Silver 2, I think. And for some reason I continually get paired with, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't realize it was starting already.
You guys want to go? I don't know.
But I manage...
The direction most people are running looks like A.
Sounds good.
Oh no, A doesn't seem like a good idea first round. A doesn't seem like a good idea first round.
But, oh, shit.
Right.
I think we should rotate? Yeah, let's rotate.
Wow.
I mean, it's too late now.
Oh, it's not.
It's never too late to rotate.
Oh.
Oh, shit. What? Where? I don't understand. I can't see people.
1v4, you got this blue.
Maybe.
Yeah, for some reason I continually get paired with, like, gold Novas and stuff like that when I'm Silver 2, and it's like I can't find anybody who has... anybody...
All one tap.
Jesus Christ, they're so loud.
One taps you in the head.
I can't seem to find...
And fucking just rush the fuck out of something.
I mean, they won, so they're gonna have, like, umps and armor and fuse kits, so...
These kids are all one tap.
We got this.
No,
Anyways, what I was saying, I'm gonna try to ignore these people, but, I seem to get paired with Nova 4s for some reason, and it's awful.
It's all
Not Nova 4s, Gold Novas.
from there.
And I'm Silver 2, and it's like, can Counter-Strike... Fuck, ow. Seriously, like, can they not find anybody better?
69. Kill him.
Got one. Oh, ump right there, pick it up.
What the hell is that?
No, I
Get that bomb down.
Plenty bomb.
got an ump.
You're gonna see my awful accuracy. What the fuck, where?
This guy is insane.
Oh, one market, lit, 41.
Come on, yes!
Nice.
Why did that happen, guys?
Alright, it's all over.
Nothing.
Got my red line, they're downhill for them, dude. They're gonzo.
Okay, so we just follow blue, right? That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, I'm Silver 2, and I'm playing with people who probably are like Gold Novas, which is really annoying. Why am I going A?
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
I was looking at my mini map.
Okay, I got it.
One connector.
We're coming this way.
You gotta protect, bro.
Push me, push me.
I'm afraid you have scripts, sir.
I'm on A. I got A. I got A. I got A.
Fucking cat lit.
Yeah, I got A. I got A.
Oh shit, I got the jungle jungle. With the monkey business.
And I'm all alone.
That Luna guy should have like 1 HP.
You don't want to M4?
Got you.
Shit. What was the universe? What? Why is no one moving? I'm so
See if they're
confused.
aggressive. Just hold tight.
You probably are. That's my guess.
Is there someone in Palace? I might hear
I
Palace.
think so.
Somebody's probably bought a Negev and trying to play with it. Somebody needs to watch the other end, though. Because somebody's getting popping up.
Oh,
We should push it. Oh, one step.
Back me up. Great.
Oh my god, this is how bad I am at aiming, like legitimately. Or 3v1, and I'm a lot worse than these people. What is he doing? Did somebody tell him that he's there? I don't understand. No! Oh! just say a skin.
Why are you hacking?
Because he's fucking...
I wish he was hacking, dude. How much money do I have?
I'm not hacking, bro. I'm just speedy. I'm fast.
Fast as fuck, boy.
0 and 4. What the fuck is this?
I guess we're going B.
I should not play this game intoxicated. Like, I don't know why I always think it's a good idea.
It's a great idea.
Yeah, it's good.
There we go.
Oh shit, somebody died.
Now I'm
Told you.
looking for it. And now I'm dead. One more minute.
Alright, well they know we're here now, so.
I'm just cat.
Oh,
I think
they're going down.
unless it's
One
someone
bench.
else.
One bench. Come be sit.
Oh shit. Okay, smoke. Oh fuck. Now there's a flash.
Seems to be the gun I'm the best with.
Damn!
Oh, why am I standing right behind you?
It's right through the smoke. That's not fair.
What the what?
Hello, Rage. Are you there?
He just aced!
Don't try to, but okay.
Rage, did you not see our whole team die? Found you?
Our whole
First
team
of all,
died.
nobody called he was on top. Ball. Second of all,
Damn, they're getting defensive now.
don't talk to me.
Second of all, don't talk to me.
Cat.
Oh, fuck.
Flashing cat.
I have a feeling that Mike.
What? How can he get out his thing before me? I don't understand.
Makers is
Oh shit. Well, okay, he had like 2 health. Oh shit, you better run!
oh,
How would you run like that?
They fell.
Oh my god.
What is that?
That's pre-fire.
That's gay.
Micers.
That's
Micers
gay.
is Hacks.
Alright, we're gonna buy an
Wait, who
SSG.
killed me right now?
Loose.
Can someone boost me mid? I'm about to fuck up their day. Go underpass with me and then boost me mid.
Shit, I'm scared.
Watch out, connect. Alright, boost.
I feel like I'm gonna die. Like instantly. Somebody's gonna walk around the corner with an AWP and just murder me.
I goof.
Yo, green above you, cat.
Watch cat, watch cat.
Oh my god.
She's defusing.
Did you kill the fuser?
Behind you, connector.
Flash again.
Alright, well, I'm running. I'm rushing. Oh my god.
Let's go.
I got there. He's gonna know what we're up to.
Got him. You.
I'm gonna be with the bomb.
One mark here with an up.
Planting crabs.
Damn!
Oh, that an up right there.
I knew they had an AWP, but I was just kind of chancing it.
Alright, fail. I might die.
Oh!
Oh my goodness gracious.
How am I doing? I'm second best on team. I'm surprised, actually. By another ump.
I got an op. I'm gonna go for mid pick. I'm gonna toss bomb somewhere.
Don't you dare toss it to me, boy. I don't play.
I might not make it to mid fast enough, so I'm gonna try to corner peek it or fucking just do this carefully.
I guess I'll take bomb. Whatever. Oh no! Somebody left!
I got him.
What is it? What is it? What is it? I don't know what the name of it is.
One drop under.
Connector,
One
connector, connector.
Oh wait, no, never mind. That was yellow.
Can I? I can't. Okay.
For him. He's cat.
CT.
And cat.
Speed's computer like reset itself.
Oh, that sucks. Jesus, Miker's completely aced everybody. God.
Moving forward. He's gonna
Boost on top of the that one.
take a boot.
In green,
Push me
okay.
to snipers.
Connector.
I'm gonna make sure nobody's trying to rush.
Fucking
Now
palace.
boost me.
Palace. Cat.
Shit. 92 and 3? Are you kidding me?
Right now.
Alright.
We are broke.
Honestly, we could have won the past 2 rounds. We just choked. That's
Yo,
fine.
I killed 3 people. I mean 4 people.
Literally, Looney and
You guys
Mikers.
needed to kill 1 guy.
Looney and Mikers need to. Are the only ones fucking doing something. So if we get 1-0 down, it should.
I didn't mean to do that. Give it back.
It's fucking 15.
We need speed.
This team is
We
fucking.
need speed.
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Fuck. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna
Concise.
maybe 8.
Alright. I'm gonna run A. I'm gonna rush A. Why? Okay, I thought I had bomb. I was like, fuck.
I'm gonna smoke off some stuff. I mean, one thing. Hopefully it works.
Oh shit.
Fuck me!
I don't have my Glock! I threw my Glock!
All right.
Shit, I threw my Glock! No! No! Come on, man, I threw my Glock!
How does this guy?
I threw my Glock. I could have killed him if I didn't throw my Glock.
I'm convinced one of these guys is wrong.
And I'm really surprised about it now. Oh shit. Okay, that's a smoke.
Really?
Why did you stop?
Dude,
Okay, okay.
No way. Dude, the carry on their team is real.
Oh. 20 and 7 versus 16 and.
You guys.
Never throw your Glock. That's a
Play slow then. Don't just rush the site.
that's a tip.
Fix and then push.
I'm coming, my boy.
Whenever we rush the site, we just all get fucked up by one guy.
Yeah.
Because someone clogs the door and we all get clogged and we all get headshot.
One
That's
to
how
the
it works.
stairs, wait, shh, one stairs.
If you die, I'm taking your op.
Purple, stay walking.
Shit.
One connector.
Oh,
with,
fuck.
M4.
Yeah, I don't know why they would smoke Palace when they know we're B. That's kind of, it's super sketchy. Me and Green are both Palace and they smoke it. It's fun.
I mean, if it was delayed smoke, that's weird. Usually just smoke it at the start of the round.
No, it was delayed.
Oh my god, Looney.
He's trying to hit me.
Cat.
What?
He's got nothing on his like profile. Like, there's no way. This dude's just playing with these fucking guys.
Once you suspect someone for cheating, check their profile, and if it's whatever it's called, if it's private, then more than likely something's going on there. Oh my god, Mikers! I really wish you could see like a kill like replay, see what's going on.
Oh, you have to go PE.
Lit.
It's a 1v1.
We need,
Right?
we need to win this ship. Bio, I believe in you.
He was 8, right?
I don't know where this last guy is.
Fucking, I need information. Like, I can't just.
We
What the fuck
do
was getting
that
shot
every
through
round.
connector? That makes no
We
sense.
do that every round, dude.
The struggle
Of
Well, because we're
not
bad.
using a microphone. Oh shit.
Lit 88 on A side. B side, B side, B side.
Are you kidding me? He left. Man.
I'm bad.
How? What? Oh, Lord!